My dear students, we are towards the end of 20th century trying to learn how the organization, especially the business firms, can develop an advantage, an edge, and an edge which should be sustainable. And that's the area within management when you consider strategic viewpoint. And the concept we are learning again and again that yes, resources are required, but then not the traditional or conventional resources. So one of the very important concepts which were introduced within the strategic management perspective is resource-based view. And within the resource-based view, the concept was presented that if the resource has 4 attributes, then it can be understood, it can be argued, and it can be anticipated that the firm can develop a competitive advantage. What are those 4 attributes of resources? VRIN. So let's learn then, what is this VRIN? Remember, the resource should have these 4 attributes. अच्छा, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि वो जो ट्रेडिशनल और कन्वेंशनल इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेज थे, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल, गोया उनके अंदर ये 4 एट्रीब्यूट्स नहीं थे. यानी मिसाल के तौर पर पहला V जो है, it stands for valuable. Land, if it is a resource, if you would like to consider for a firm that it should give you a longer perspective advantage, then V means it should be, the resource should be valuable. अच्छा, अब लैंड कैसे वैल्यूएबल होगी? Land is available on Multan Road. Land is available in any industrial sector of a city. Faisalabad, Karachi, Hayatabad, Peshawar. You can speak about an area where the industry is. Land is available. So land itself is not a valuable resource. So the first attribute, according to the resource-based view, is that the resource, if you have valuable, which can add value to your company, to your base, to your production, to your market, to your customers, if it is valuable, yes, then you can think of this resource as helping you to develop an advantage over the competitors. Second attribute, second characteristic of a resource, whatever that resource is, should be that it should be only available to you. It should be rare. It should not be a commodity. It should not be available in the market that anybody can go and buy it. No. A firm will enjoy a competitive advantage when it has a value creating strategy. Now, value creating strategy of your firm certainly is going to be unique and different than others. So it's rare. It's only available to you and not available to others. That is the second characteristic, second attribute of a resource. If there is, then you can think of having an advantage over your competitors. Third, I, VRIN. This is a concept within this strategic management presented by Professor Barney and accepted by so many others. And then एम्पिरिकल डेटा, देखिए शुरू में कॉन्सेप्ट प्रेजेंट होता है. अच्छा, कॉन्सेप्ट भी मैंने इससे पहले भी शेयर किया था, हवा में नहीं होता. प्रोफेसर, मैनेजमेंट स्कॉलर एक पैटर्न देख रहा होता है. लेट मी यूज द वर्ड ऑफ इंडक्शन. रिमेंबर, इन रिसर्च either you use a deductive logic or inductive logic or abductive logic, and you present a concept. So imitable, VRIN, imitable. Imitable से मुराद ये है कि if the organization has a valuable rare organizational resource and it cannot be copied, it can only be source of advantage if the firm do not possess these resources which cannot be obtained. For this purpose, the firm should have a non-imitable resource. Nobody can copy. Fourth, VRIN, non-substitutable. It cannot be substituted. The resources should be strategically non-substitutable and cannot be exploited by others to implement the same strategies. So this means valuable, rare, non-imitable, and non-substitutable. And keeping all these four attributes together, what are the conditions and assumptions a firm should fulfill? That there should be resource heterogeneity. Because if all the firm possess same resources, then you're not going to have the uniqueness. And at the same time, there should be a barrier to resource mobility. अब बैरियर से मुराद ये नहीं है कि आप दीवार खड़ी कर दें. For example, you have a core competency in your own organization. It could be fastest cycle time. It could be fastest delivery time. It could be quality or the price structure. There has to be some barrier so that you can have, on the basis of resources, a competitive advantage and a sustainable advantage in the market. Thank you.